Today in this video, I'm showing you the exact simple steps to achieve the minimalist Japanese theme in minutes. You will be learn how to integrate the mesmerizing live wallpaper, sleek widgets, and custom blocks for maximize efficiency and style. After watching this video, hopefully your desktop will be go from this boring look to something like this in just few minutes. And with all that out of the way, get subscribed, leave a like, and let's get started. Okay, let's start. The first step is to make this taskbar transparent. So go into Microsoft Store and search for something called translucent. And this is the application we need to install. Go inside and click get, and it will be installed in your machine. Once that is done, just click on open and it will open up. Okay, just click continue. As you can see now, our taskbar is transparent now, which is really good. Okay, now let's install our wallpaper and the widgets. So go into the browser and go into the link in the description. So this Google Drive folder, just download it and it will download the zip file. Now, once it's downloaded, go back to your downloads folder. Now just extract it and go into the folder. Okay, so now you can see the wallpaper. Just click on the wallpaper and click set as background. Now if you see, this is the wallpaper we are going to use today. And now let's install some widgets and make it more beautiful. Okay, so to install widgets, we need a software called rainmeter. So go back to your Chrome and search for rainmeter. So the website is rainmeter.net. Make sure you're in this correct website. Now click download and open the setup file. It's really easy setup. Just click next, install, and it will be installed. Now click finish. Okay, so let me close these windows. Okay, by default, rainmeter install some default widgets. So what you need to do is right click all the widgets and click unload skin. Right click each widget, unload skin. This way you can remove all the widgets they have installed default. Now go back to your folder you have downloaded. Now first of all, we need to install some fonts. So go into fonts folder, select both the fonts, right click it and click install. I have already installed, doesn't matter, just click install and it will be installed on your machine. Once that's done, let's go back and go to rainmeter skins. Here, just double click the first one, date, and just click install. As you can see, the date has been placed. Now click on the visualizer, click install, and you will be able to see the visualizer. So this is a visualizer. Whenever you have a sound going on, it will go up and down. Okay. Okay, now that is done. Let's go back to our folder. And third thing we are going to install is a dock. So in the right hand side, we're going to install a dock. A nice looking dock. Let's install that. Go to browser again and go into the link I have given. So it's okay. Once you're in this website, go ahead and click download here. And go back to your downloads folder and just extract this as well. Now inside the folder, you can find the Nexus setup file. Just double click it and open it up. It's pretty easy. Just install the application. Once that's done, click launch. Make sure you click launch Nexus and click finish. Okay, as you can see, by default, it's really ugly dock, but we are going to change it now. So go back to the folder we have downloaded earlier and go in, copy this dock icon Nexus. Just right click it, copy, and go to your C drive. Make sure make sure it's in the C drive and just paste it. Okay, once you paste the folder here, close the window and you can see Nexus icon here. Just click on here and it will open up the settings menu. Now in here, go to Advanced tab and click Restore. Then go to C drive and find the folder, and inside the folder you have a backup file. Just click on it and open it up. As you can see, now the widget dock has been installed and positioned correctly with the icons. Now go to General and make sure you tick Run Nexus at startup, otherwise when you restart the next time it will not be there. Okay, once that's done, you can open this application. Like if you click on Chrome, it's going to open the Chrome, and if you click on File Explorer, it will open the File Explorer. If you want to change anything, you can just right click it, dock into properties, and you can click find an item and find the exe file of that application and just click OK and it will be open up. I will do a different tutorial about the Nexus dock, but right now this is how it's going. The last thing we are going to do is this is the optional. If you want to use it, you can use it. I'm going to make this wallpaper animated. So I'm going to head over to Microsoft Store and search for lively wallpaper. So if you go to lively wallpaper, this is the application. Just click get and install. Okay, once it's done, just click open and it will open up. Close this window. Okay, so for this theme, I'm going to just do rain. So just right click and customize this rain theme, rain animation live wallpaper, but they're using a different image. So what we're going to do is this background, we're going to select here and go to our folder and select the wallpaper. Click OK. And now I'm going to click the rain. As you can see, this is the rain theme. I'm going to customize a little bit. So if you go to customize, you can change all these settings as you want. I'm going to tick blur quality to off. That way I can see the image as well. So this is the optional thing you can do, because using a live wallpaper will use a little bit RAM and graphics. So if you want, you can use it, but otherwise just skip this part. Also, you can right click and go to view and click show desktop icon, just untick it. That way your desktop is so clean without any desktop icons. But if you want, you can just right click it, go to view, and just click show desktop icon again. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope this video helped you to get amazing Japanese style theme on your Windows 11 desktop. If that's the case, subscribe this channel and stay tuned for new desktop customization. I'm gonna continue uploading new desktop customization every week. So stay tuned, subscribe, and see you next time.